Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. A wonderful family home awaits its new owner. Welcome to this rare gem in the highly sought after community of Bogue Village, Montego Bay. This beautifully maintained 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom home is move-in ready and offers everything a growing family needs. Nestled in a peaceful and well-established neighborhood, this solar-powered home features a lush, fully walled garden and mature fruit trees, perfect for relaxation or entertaining. The home blends modern comfort with thoughtful designs, making it both functional and charming. If you are searching for a spacious, eco friendly home with a beautifully landscaped garden in a central location, look no further. This is the one for you. Call today to make an offer or schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
This is one of the most prominent and popular housing development in St. James.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million, US 380.3 thousand, Canadian 544.3 thousand, or 295.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.